Hey y'all, wanted to hop on here and tell y'all about our NOCO Boost Pro. This is the GB150. We got this because we have diesel trucks and tractors, and when a battery goes dead, we're out of luck. My little car battery will not start those batteries or jump them off, so we got this to stop that problem. First of all, it comes in a really nice case here. It's got a nice carrying handle. It zips, 2 zippers all the way around. You have little pockets here for your adapters, for your charging cables, for your owner's manual, any of your adapters that you need there, your wiring. The shell is slightly flexible, but it is definitely considered a hard shell. So this little thing is just about anything you're going to need if you're out on the road or in the pasture with your tractor. It's kind of got you covered. I have been really impressed with the quality of this. Definitely fits in there well. The battery cables here are not the least bit flimsy. These are super heavy duty, and I was actually very impressed with this for the price. These things, you will not be disappointed with that. So this does a few different things here. You can use this as a portable power bank. You've got your charging ports. You can charge USB or you can charge in the wall, whichever way you need to. On this end, you have a flashlight. So you've got a regular light, high, medium, and low. It will go strobe, high, medium, and low. It's a great little feature to have. So one cool thing about this is if you hook this up wrong, you've got a little fault light that shows up right here. And if you cross your cables, or you've got your negative on your positive on your negative, it will actually light up right here and it will not charge. It will not let you mess it up. Now once you get your cables hooked up, you'll have an indicator that shows up right here, and it'll tell you how many volts you're at. If you're in that 10 volt range, you're probably gonna need to charge to jump. But that's when you hit your buttons and you get your jump that you need. You may have to wait a short amount of time for it, but it's gonna work pretty quickly for you. You can also use this as a portable power bank, and you've got adapters that will fit in here for you too, to charge your cell phone, to run an air compressor, something like that if you're stuck out on the road. So I really like this product. It's been great. We are very happy that we bought it. And if you're looking for something like this that will jump off those bigger batteries, I definitely recommend having this in your vehicle. Not disappointed. 100% recommend.